Yes, I made over $200 using a completely free AI tool. And I didn't talk to a single person to do it. No calls. No selling in the DMs. No clients. Just smart, silent hustle, powered by AI. Here's exactly how I did it. The tool I used is called ChatGPT, and it's free. It's like having a 24/7 writing assistant. I used it to generate blog-style content, fast, high quality, and SEO friendly. Then, I turned that content into digital products and listed them on Fiverr. No meetings. No pitching. Just posting and waiting. Here's how it worked. I asked ChatGPT to write helpful articles for small business owners, things like marketing tips, email templates, and product descriptions. Then I used Canva to package them into nice-looking PDFs. I uploaded them as ready-to-use templates and content packs on Fiverr. Buyers came, downloaded the product, and I got paid, all while I was sleeping. No customer calls. No social media. No pressure. In just 7 days, I made $213 from 3 different orders. Each one was fully passive, no revisions, no chats, no follow-up. The best part? I created all the content in under 2 hours. That's over $100 per hour, without saying a word. If you want to try this too, here's what you need to do. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write content based on a niche, like fitness, small business, or parenting. Use Canva to format the text into a clean, printable PDF. Head to Fiverr, create a gig for done-for-you blog content or PDF content packs. That's it. People are already looking for these solutions, and with AI, you can create them fast, for free. This is just one method I've tested using AI. If you want more faceless side hustles, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description to join my Telegram channel for step-by-step help. Work smart, stay silent, and let AI do the talking.